Learn to use your career compass to assess your skills, values, and goals. Map the landscape, test options, and build momentum. Make your next move a deliberate one. Your career compass is the tool that keeps you oriented when the world of work shifts under your feet. Rather than drifting or waiting for change to happen to you, you can choose your bearing, adjust your pace, and move with intent. Today's career path is not a straight line. Roles change, industries pivot, and organizations reorganize. Expect several transitions. Accepting this reality reduces anxiety and sharpens your strategy. You stop looking for the one perfect job for life and start building the capability to navigate the job market effectively. A career compass helps you decide your next waypoint, not your final destination. Choose a direction, then earn your certainty. You don't need absolute clarity to begin. You need a direction good enough to test. Think of this as a hypothesis. I believe I'd thrive in roles that use my analytical strengths, involve stakeholder influence, and support flexible working. Set a heading, take a few steps, gather evidence, and refine. Clarity comes from three intersecting questions. What can you do well? What matters to you? What constraints and preferences shape your life outside work? Map your transferable skills in the environments where you excel. Surface your non-negotiable values: autonomy, learning, impact, stability, creativity, or service. Then align these with your lifestyle goals, whether that's time for family, space for study, or income targets in pounds sterling. Your career compass strengthens every time you align these three. Identify a few role types or domains that match your skills and values. Scan job descriptions to validate language and criteria. Pinpoint adjacent roles that leverage your strengths without starting from zero. You're not narrowing your world. You're prioritizing the best terrain to explore first. Use conversations as reconnaissance to skip the guesswork. Short, purposeful networking chats provide you with real-world data quickly. Ask about the problems the team is paid to solve, the skills that get rewarded, and what excellence looks like in the first 90 days. Share your interests concisely and ask for one practical suggestion. This is how your career compass gets calibrated to reality. Pilot before you pivot. Before committing, run small experiments. Volunteer for a project, shadow for a day, take a micro course, or build a portfolio piece. If you're employed, shape your current role. Request stretch tasks, draft a business case for new responsibilities, or propose a pilot with clear success criteria. Experiments reduce risk and increase conviction. Build a route, not a wish, and you can turn your direction into a 90-day plan. Define one outcome per month, outline the key actions required, and identify the individuals who can assist you. Block time for focused work, research, outreach, applications, or skill practice. Treat interviews as collaborative problem-solving, not performances. Keep a brief log of what you tried, what worked, and what to change next. Your plan should be simple enough to use and strong enough to follow. And you must trade perfection for progress. Expect detours and use them as data. Separate identity from role so you can learn without defensiveness. Protect energy, sleep, movement, relationships. Celebrate small wins to maintain momentum. The modern career rewards adaptability, and your calm, methodical approach compounds over time. When should you recheck your bearing? Recalibrate whenever the facts change. New life goals, organizational shifts, or a persistent mismatch between your effort and your outcomes. If you feel vague dissatisfaction, don't panic, just investigate. Rerun the same steps. Revisit your fit. Refresh your hypotheses. Talk to people doing the work, and test again. Your career compass is most valuable when conditions are unclear. As with all things, you don't need a perfect plan. You need a clear direction, honest feedback, and steady action. When you use your career compass to align skills, values, and lifestyle, test your options in the real world, and iterate with intention, your next move becomes both simpler and smarter. Keep your career compass visible, and keep moving forward. If anything in my blog post resonates with you, and you'd like some further help and advice with your career, then why not get in touch today? Call me on 07941 690391. Visit my website at davecordle.co.uk to see ways I can help and support you. Or connect with me on LinkedIn and let's start a conversation.